back to another Clover product short. My name is Sarah. So what we're going to go over today is how to edit your business information on the Clover web dashboard. So first of all, you'll need to log into your Clover web dashboard with your credentials, so your email and password. Once you're on the Clover web dashboard, there's a few places you can select to edit your business information. One of the first places is selecting your business name here at the top, which will bring you to this screen here. Now, if you're editing the business information, generally you'll see a hyperlink or an edit pencil icon. The editing pencil icon here on my logo allows me to change my logo. If my logo was not uploaded, it would ask me to drag, drop, or upload files here. And then I would hit save, and now I can update my logo. There's some information that is preset that we can't select at the moment, which is my address and my phone number. There will be a field to edit the website and paste in your website link, which can also show on your receipts. Edit business information will take you to a few additional fields, and we'll select that in just a moment. And editing your business hours, so you can input your business hours from Saturday to Sunday. You'll notice at the bottom of this screen, there are some login connections to your Google business profile and your Yelp business profile. We're going to focus on the editing for today. So let's go ahead and select Edit Business Information. So we can see here that we can change our business name, or it will say DBA name, doing business as. So we can put in 11 to 24 characters for this location. Again, these information fields are going to be customer facing and will appear on payment receipts. Address can be adjusted. Customer contact info. So this means if our customers need to reach out to us, this will be the phone number they will see. And this would be our business address on here as well. Again, payment receipts will display this information to our customers. For more account-related editing and tax-related business information, you may need to reach out to your 24/7 Clover support. Up in the right, you also have a settings icon. If you're logged in as an admin or someone with admin rights, you can see here that it will say business information. We can select this and make changes. Or if we don't see that option, we can select View All Settings. From here, we can see a few different fields. We have Edit Profile. Edit Profile allows us to change certain fields, but just to reiterate, some of these fields for billing or legal purposes, we would select Contact Support and speak with them from there. So if they are grayed out, it might say Call to Edit. If we select Edit and it does not open, that's going to be a Contact Support field. In here, if you need to edit your notification preferences, that can be done from the dashboard. If we go back to our business information screen, we can select business information. And what will happen is very similar to what we did on the home screen. So these are going to be the customer-facing info fields, business hours, and we can review and add the privacy policy with a URL for our customers. We hope this has been helpful in providing you a quick walkthrough on how to get to a page or multiple pages where you can edit your business information. Thank you for watching, and I hope y'all have a wonderful rest of your day.